الله يعلم ما نشكو من الألم وما نعانيه من ضيق ومن سقم لكن لنا فيه ظن لا يخيبنا حاشاه أن ترجع الأيدي.
الله وبركاته. Okay. My name is Ibrahim. I represent Benefit Mankind from the United Kingdom, from England. Okay. We are here to help the people of Kenya, okay, as much as we possibly can. And this sewing machine scheme is part of that help, part of that assistance we want to give to the people of Kenya. Sewing machines will give you assistance in your livelihood, inshallah. Okay, we want to provide this so that you can earn a living from this, working with the sewing machines. Sewing is not just a skill; it's also means of earning your livelihood. And we are hoping that these machines, sewing machines, will help you towards that process of independence and financial stability. We are hoping that you can create beautiful garments from these machines so that your family can depend on you, okay? It's not just the men who can earn a living and support their families. It's also the women who can support the families. We are hoping that your garments will help you earn that living and help you support your family.
الجود والكرم الله يعلم ما نشكو من الألم وما نعانيه من ضيق ومن سقم.
Assalamu alaikum. So today we're launching our sewing machine program aimed at empowering women in the rural areas of Mombasa in Kenya. By providing these machines, we offer them the chance to gain skills, start businesses and achieve financial independence. This initiative not only supports families but also strengthens our local communities in the rural areas of Mombasa. Together we can change the lives in Mombasa one stitch at a time, and thank you on behalf of Benefit Mankind.
قبل السؤال وكم أعطى وأغنى بمحض الجود والكرم الله يعلم ما نشكو من الألم وما نعاني